Contract of agency. When person having capacity to contract, called principal, enters into contract with another through a third person called agent, a contract of agency is created. Agent. Agent is a person employed to do any act or to represent another in dealings with other persons. The function of an agent is to bring his principal into contractual relations with third persons. Thus, an agent is a connecting link between principal and third parties. Any person who is authorized to act as such may be an agent. The agent does not make contracts on his behalf, so it is not essential for agent to have contractual capacity. Even a minor may be an agent. If a person who is not competent to contract is appointed an agent, the principal is liable to the third party for the acts of the agent. It is therefore in the interest of principal that the agent should have contractual capacity. Principal. Principal is the person for whom an act is done by the agent or who is represented by the agent in respect of dealing with third persons. Any agent who is of the age of majority and of sound mind may employ an agent. So the person employing an agent must be capable to enter into a contract. So a lunatic, minor or a drunken person cannot employ an agent. Principles of agency. The concept of agency is based on two major principles. Except of an act of personal nature or annexed to a public office, that is that of a magistrate, a person can do anything through an agent what he can do personally. Contracts involving personal performance cannot be conducted through an agent. For example, an agent cannot be employed to sing on behalf of his principal. The person acting through an agent is doing it himself. So the acts of an agent subject to certain conditions are acts of the principal, and contracts through agents have the same legal consequences as if the contracts had been entered by and he acts and the acts are done by the principal himself in person. The principal becomes bound by the acts of agent. Thus, for all legal purposes, the acts of the agent are the acts of the principal.